Get off my counter! Get off my counter! Get off my counter! Hello, people. Welcome to Cooking with Browns. Today I show you how we cook the finest breast. First, what you want to do is get it out of oven. Pulls it on out. Lie it down like a fuckboy. And now what you want to do is just touch it gently. Grab yourself your quadron juice. Get the fuck off my counter, you damn dirty rats! Fucking disgusting creatures. Okay, what you want to do is you want to grab a lighter. You want to, I don't know how to fucking use this. Okay, what you then want to do is take a bite. Tastes like shit, it does. It's fucking rancid.